Hello guys, trust you're doing fantastic. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to a wonderful concept which is known as the introduction to complement subtraction. Now in complement subtraction, we have three different subtopics we're going to be dealing with. The first one is the binary subtraction, which is divided into two parts. The first part is called the first complement, and the second part is the second complement. The other subtopic we're going to be dealing with is the hexadecimal subtraction, which is further divided into two parts. The first one is 15th complement and 16th complement. Now the third subtopic is the BCD and excess 3 subtraction. Now the BCD is nothing but the binary coded decimal, BCD. And then under these subtopics we have two parts. We're going to be talking about the 9's complement and the 10's complement. Now in all of this operation, this complement subtraction, there are odds and even complement subtraction operation. Now I've further divided it into this component so that you can understand better. Now we have the odd complement subtraction, which consists of the odds complement subtraction, like the 1's complement subtraction, 15's complement subtraction, 9's complement subtraction. And then we have the other part, which is the even. Now the even complement subtraction consists of the following. We have the 2's complement subtraction, 16's complement subtraction, and 10's complement subtraction. Now there are procedures in solving problems in this complement subtraction. Now there are situations where we have to deal with carry, where carry has to be generated and we have to add carry to the solution. And there are situations where we have to eliminate or discard carry when it's generated. Now all of these will be explained when we deal with a practical example. Now there's something I want you to understand which is very important before we move on. Now it's the notation. Each time we deal with complement subtraction, we have this notation at the back of our mind, which is m minus s. M is nothing but the minuend and s is nothing but the subtrahend. Now let me give you a real example so that you can understand what a minuend is and what a subtrahend is. For example, you have this question that says 10 minus 4. Now 10 is the minuend. Why is it the minuend? Because this is the number from which we want to subtract another number from. Alright, so 4 is the subtrahend. 4 is the number to be subtracted from a given number 10. So a number that needs to be subtracted from another number is called the subtrahend, while the minuend is the number that we need to subtract a number from. So 10 is the minuend and subtrahend is 4. So whichever way you have it, for example, you might have a lower value, like let's say 4 minus 10. So it still maintains the same position as minuend and subtrahend. So it doesn't change if the value is larger or smaller. The minuend is still the same position and the subtrahend is still in the position where it is. This is the standard position when you perform subtraction. You have two values, one minus the other. Alright, so this is what it means. Now we're going to get into a situation where we have small number subtracting a large number, and we'll have situation where a large number is subtracting a small number. So we're going to have these cases when we proceed to a real example. So at this point, I'm going to encourage you to pay attention to the subsequent videos in this channel, because I'm going to be treating more examples from each of these subtopics. All right then, enjoy this video. Bye.